Hi, it's Charisma of Charisma's Corner, and we're in the little pink barn again. And we are in month 9 of Dazzle, which is this quilt behind me. It's a block of the month. It's a 9-month block of the month, and we are in month 9, which means you have all of your blocks done and you're putting your quilt together, hopefully. And maybe you're ready to discuss some quilting designs. So this was block 1. This was block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5, block 6, 7, and 8. So exciting. So this is the quilt. This is the quilt layout. And so to discuss some quilting designs, I am a professional long arm quilter along with being a pattern designer and magazine contributor and whatever else that hat that we wear in this industry. And so working as a pattern designer, for the most part, I'm in a big hurry. And also I've learned along the way that if I go in and custom quilt one of my samples, it's a little bit of a deterrent for someone to buy my pattern. I learned that at a show. So the design that I chose for this is called Twilight Sparkle, and it's an all over edge to edge. It's a computerized design, and it has asterisks in different sizes and stars in different sizes. And what else is in there? I think I think that's it. And I really like that design because it does give it some sparkle. I feel like this whole quilt, every single star block that we made does give it some sparkle. It gives it some movement. However, if you wanted to discuss quilting designs, if you wanted to maybe experiment with some custom quilting, there's so many beautiful ways that you can accentuate this quilt. And one of them is to focus on that aqua square. You could totally quilt that very tightly and then do something in the middle here to maybe a little bit looser quilting, because then it'll make that kind of pop up, whereas the green will recess in. And then those corner units are just perfect for any kind of ruler work to give it some dimension, some lines, and then, you know, in the pinwheel blocks and those sort of corner star blocks that we use, those are a good way to put in a really fancy filler in that white, because in the white background, that will really stand out when you're quilting. And then you can do some more linear type of designs in all of those star points. I loved playing with different designs when I quilt because I love mixing those circular swirly designs, more linear ruler work designs, because then it kind of gives it that dimension when you're quilting. So just some things to play with. And, you know, of course, it's filled with a bunch of beautiful colors from the new line of basics by QT Fabrics called Vibe. It is a beautiful line of fabric. I'm so glad that you were able to join us for this journey of 9 months. And please share your projects on social media. Share them with QT Fabrics. Share them with Charisma's Corner, Charisma Horton on Instagram. And thank you for joining me. And I cannot wait to see all of the variations and things that you do with your quilting. So until next time, thanks. Bye.